Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily stop someone from saving your snap on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application, click on your profile at the top left corner. Then click on setting at the top right corner and scroll below. Under privacy setting, you will be able to see the option of who can see my snap. If you do not see this option, simply head towards Google Play Store. So if you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. Even after that, if you do not find the option of who can see my snap, head towards Snapchat again. Go to the camera option and shoot a short video. After you have shot your snap, in the editing page of Snapchat, at the bottom, you see this option of no limit. Simply click on it and make the limit of 1 second so that your snap is only played for once and no one will be able to save it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.